The Sean Combs trial is shaping up to be one of the most high-profile legal battles in entertainment history. It was on November 2023 that Cassie Ventura, Combs' former girlfriend, filed a lawsuit accusing him of physical assault and sexual violence. The lawsuit was settled quickly, but triggered a wave of similar allegations. May 2024, CNN released hotel surveillance footage from 2016 showing Combs assaulting Ventura, leading to further scrutiny. September 2024, Combs was arrested and indicted on federal charges, marking a major turning point in the case. April 2025, prosecutors filed additional charges, including trafficking and transportation for prostitution. May 2025, jury selection began, with the court opting for an anonymous jury due to the high-profile nature of the case. In light of this, there's quite a bit of public reaction on social media, for instance. The outrage over surveillance footage. The leaked 2016 hotel surveillance footage showing Combs assaulting Ventura has sparked widespread condemnation. Celebrity mentions in jury selection. Names like Michael B. Jordan, Kid Cudi, and Kanye West surfaced during jury selection, leading to speculation about their involvement. Defense attorney's comments. Combs' lawyer, Mark Geragos, referred to prosecutors as a six-pack of white women, causing backlash and prompting a warning from the judge. Physical changes in Combs seemed significant enough to release reports to indicate that Combs has visibly aged during his time in custody, with descriptions of graying hair and a changed appearance. Social media jury question. Potential jurors were asked if they had ever posted or liked anything about Combs on social media, highlighting the case's digital impact. Key witness testimonies. Testimonies against Combs. Cassie Ventura, the singer and former girlfriend of Combs, testified under her real name, detailing years of alleged abuse, coercion, and manipulation. Victim 3, a woman who initially agreed to testify but later expressed hesitation, causing a setback for prosecutors. Male courtesan, testified about explicit encounters allegedly orchestrated by Combs, corroborating claims of coercion. Ventura's friend provided supporting testimony, confirming Ventura's allegations and sharing her own experiences of violence. Testimonies in support of Combs, like his defense witnesses and legal team, argued that all encounters were consensual and part of a swinger lifestyle, attempting to discredit the prosecution's claims. Psychological analyses from expert witnesses. Dr. Dawn Hughes, a psychologist, was expected to testify about coercive control, but the judge ruled that she could only discuss coping strategies for victims and why they stay in abusive relationships. Defense experts attempted to argue that Combs' behavior was misinterpreted and that his relationships were based on mutual consent. If you like this video, be sure to like and share. Let's break down the legal analysts on media influence in trials. Legal analysts have pointed out that media coverage can significantly impact the outcome of high-profile trials. Two notable cases illustrate this. Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard defamation trial. Social media played a crucial role in shaping public perception. Viral clips, memes, and online commentary heavily favored Depp, influencing how the jury and the public viewed the case. Analysts argue that the constant media scrutiny made it difficult for the legal process to remain entirely impartial. O.J. Simpson murder trial. One of the most famous cases in U.S. history, the trial of O.J. Simpson was heavily influenced by media coverage. The televised proceedings, public debates, and racial tensions surrounding the case created an environment where public opinion was deeply divided. Legal experts suggest that the media's portrayal of Simpson as either a victim of systemic racism or a guilty man escaping justice played a role in the jury's decision. In Combs' case, the hotel surveillance footage and widespread social media discussions could create a presumption of guilt before the trial even concludes. Some legal experts suggest that the defense may attempt to argue that media bias has tainted the jury pool, potentially leading to appeals based on unfair trial conditions, such as uncommon legal defenses, entrapment defense. The defense could argue that Combs was set up by individuals seeking financial gain or revenge. Selective prosecution. Combs' legal team may claim that he is being targeted unfairly due to his celebrity status, and Combs' legal team could use the mental health defense. While rare in cases like this, the defense could attempt to argue that Combs' actions were influenced by undiagnosed psychological conditions. Opinions from high-profile social media figures. Nancy Grace. Grace has emphasized the overwhelming number of victims, arguing that it will be difficult for the jury to dismiss all allegations. DJ Academics. the popular hip-hop commentator, has weighed in on the case, stating that Combs' legal team is fighting an uphill battle due to the damning evidence and media coverage. What are potential consequences if Combs is convicted? Mandatory minimum sentence. If convicted on trafficking charges, Combs faces a minimum of 15 years in prison. Life sentence possibility. The racketeering and trafficking charges carry a maximum sentence of life in prison. Financial and career fallout. Combs' business empire, including Bad Boy Entertainment, could face severe financial losses and legal repercussions. What do you think about the case? Do you believe the defense's argument, or do you think the prosecution has a strong case? Post your comments, share, and like.